Block 6, unlike fractions and adding and subtracting. I hope you all completed S1, S2, S3. Today I am going to explain S4, multi-step problems. Multi-step problems. Children, first one I will give one example. Tina bought bananas, 1 by 2 kgs bananas. She ate 3 by 4 kg bananas. How much bananas were left? So she bought 1 by 2 kg bananas. She ate 3 by 4 kgs. How will you find, children? You have to in this you have to do 1 by 2. You have to subtract 3 by 4 kg. Then you get the answer. Okay. Solution. Tina bought bananas. How much? 1 by 2 kgs. This is a mixed fraction. First you have to mix fraction convert into improper fraction, children. How will you convert 2 into 2? First you have to multiply these two numbers and add this number. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Okay. And she ate how much? 3 by 4 kgs. Now 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4, if you do not, you get the answer. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So this is unlike fraction. 5 by 2 and 3 by 4 is unlike fraction. So we have to, for subtracting, we have to make it like fraction. How will you make use like fraction? First you have to make this write the multiples of 2 and 4. Okay. See, these are the multiples of 2 and 4. So in 2 table, how many times it will go, children? 4. 2 2s are 4. And in 4 table, how many times it will go? 1 time. So 4 1s are 4. So for 5 by 2, see in 2 table, 2 times it will go, no, children. So the 2 will multiply both numerator and denominator. 5 into 2, 2 into 2 minus. In 3 by 4 table, how many times it will go? 4, 1 time. So 3 into 1, 4 into 1. So now you multiply this. 5 2s are 10. So 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4. See, now it is like fraction. If it is like fraction, you can subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 by 4 is the answer. Okay. Therefore, 7 by 4 kgs of bananas are left with her. Take out your workbook, children. Page number 36. S4. Multi-step problems. Write first date 30/9/2020. First bit. Ashish and Himanshu go for morning walk. Ashish walked 1 by 3 kilometer and Himanshu walked 2 by 5 kilometer. Total length of the track is 3 by 4 kilometer. Who walked more? How much more distance did each need to walk to cover the full track? Okay, this sum I am showing in book, children. One book. First write solution. Ashish walked how much? 1 by 3 kilometer. This is a mixed fraction. First you convert in improper fraction. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 3 kilometer. So Himanshu walked 2 by 5. This also you convert in improper fraction. 12 by 5 kilometers. So these are 7 by 3 and 12 by 5. You have to find out who walked more. These are unlike fraction, no? You have to make it like fraction. For making like fraction, you have to find, first you have to write the multiples of 3 and 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. How will get to LCM of 3 and 15? Here write multiples of 3 here first and multiples of 5. Which is the common multiple here? 15 and 15. In both table, 15 is the common multiple. So here 7 by 3 and 12 by 5. in 7 by 3 for 3 table, how many times it will go? 15 children, 5 times. So that 5 you have to multiply both numerator and denominator. 7 into 5, 3 into 5. And in 5 table, how many times it will go, children? 3 times. 5 3s are 15. So you have to multiply 3 in both numerator and denominator. 12 by 5 is there, no? 12 by 5 into 12 into 3, 5 into 3. So 7 5s are 35 and 15 by 15. 12 3s are 36 by 15. So here Ashish walked 35 by 15 kilometer. Here this answer he got, no? And Himanshu walked 36 by 15. So we know that 36 by 15 is greater than 35 by 15. How, children? One example I'll take. Last year you learnt about this 6 by 12 and 18 by 12. See, when you having same denominator, bigger numerator is greater fraction. Suppose if we having in numerator place same number, in denominator different, the lesser denominator is greater fraction. So here same denominator are there. So which is the greater? 36 by 15 is the greater. Then who walked more? Himanshu. So therefore Himanshu walked more than Ashish. By how much? They are asking in the question. Himanshu walked more. How much? So how much means how will find, children? How much? So 36 by 15 minus 35 by 15. If you subtract, you will get how much? 1 by 15. 36 minus 35 is 1 by 5 kilometer. So 1 by 15 kilometer Himanshu walked more than Ashish. Okay. Now you have to find how much Ashish and Himanshu walk more. So you have to subtract in the total track is given. No, in that you have to subtract the both how much they walk. Then you get the answer. So length of the track is how much? 3 by 4 kilometer. So this is equal to 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 4 kilometer. Then you have to find Ashish need to walk more. How much? 11 by 4 kilometer minus 7 by 3 kilometer. Ashish is walked how much? 7 by 3 kilometer. This is the total track. So in this you have to subtract the Ashish walked how much, you'll get the answer. So 11 into 3, 4 into 3. See, you have to multiply for 4 into 3. Find the, make it first like fraction. Okay. 11 into 3, 4 into 3. 7 into 4, 3 into 4 is equal to 33 by 12 minus 28 by 12. So is equal to 33 minus 28 divided by 12 is equal to 5 by 12. How much you walk more, children? Ashish. So Ashish need to walk how much? 5 by 12 kilometer. He should need to walk more. Next, Himanshu need to walk how much? 11 by 4 into, here you have to find the make it, you have to like fraction. How will make like fraction? By finding the, make it multiples and find the multiples of how many times it will go in that numbers you have to find out. So 11 into 5, 4 into 5. So 12 into 4, 5 into 4. So is equal to 11 5s are 55 divided by 20. 12 4s are 48 divided by 20. So 55 minus 48 divided by 20 is equal to 55 minus 48 is 7 by 5 kilometer. So Himanshu walk more 7 by 5 kilometers. Children, okay. If you here, suppose in the workbooks, if you are not having sufficient place, take one page and write it in one page and stick off here, children. Okay. Next, now second bit. Charu drinks 2 by 3 liters milk and Vinita drinks 1 by 2 liters milk daily. How much milk do they drink all together? If their father buys 2 3/4 liters milk daily, then how much milk is used by others? So solution children here. Charu drinks how much? 2/3 liters milk. Vinita drinks 1/2 liters milk. So both how much they'll consume the milk children? Both consume the milk is equal to what you have to do? You have to add 2/3 liters plus 1/2 liters. And then you first for adding you should make first a like fraction. So first find the make it like fraction, write the multiples of 3 and write multiples of 2. So I'm write LCM of 3 and 2 is 2 into 3, 3 into 2 plus 1 into 3, 3 into 2. 6. 6 is the LCM. Okay. 4/6 liters plus 3/6 liters. So add 4 plus 3 divided by 6 is equal to 7/6 liters of milk consumed daily. Both. Okay. Now the father is father how much daily will buy children? The father buys milk is equal to 2 3/4 liters. Then how much? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11/4 liters. So others use milk is how much? You have to subtract this 7/6. 11/4 liters minus 7/6 liters. Then you again if you are subtracting these are unlike fraction, make it like fraction. So after making like fraction 3/12 minus 14/12 you get. So 19/12 liters is the answer. Subtract 33 minus 14. So what you will get? 33 minus 14 divided by 12. So 33 minus 12 is 19/12 liters. So we have to divide children. 19/12 you will get 1 liter 7/12. 1 7/12 liters is the answer. So therefore 1 7/12 liters of milk is used for others. Okay. Third bit, write a story, problem and solve it. Children, this bit you have to do it your own. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.